What are keto supplements? How can they help? If you've been doing the keto diet, you know that staying in ketosis is quite difficult, since it restricts many carbs. Additionally, if you're not familiar with the foods, memorizing what is keto-friendly and what is not may get complicated, since you need to add up your daily macro composition. The hardest part for most people is actually going out to restaurants or hanging out with friends, because you won't have the same control over the foods you eat as you do in your home. This is why keto supplements started to get popular, because they created a boost to stay in ketosis without being so strict on their diet. The thing is, not all keto supplements are created equal, and not all of them achieve the results the same way. What do we mean? Usually, keto supplements fall into one of three categories. These are 1. Fatty acids. 2. Exogenous ketones. 3. Electrolytes. What is the difference between each one? Let's use an example to understand them better. The primary objective of the keto diet is to make the body produce ketones and use them as their main energy source. The problem is that if you don't eat enough fats, the body won't produce them naturally. Here you will have two pathways using supplements. 1. Add more fats to your diet, fatty acid supplements, so you can produce ketones in the body. 2. Instead of producing ketones through the body, you can add them externally, exogenous ketones. So if you see, both try to end with the same result but through a different process. What happens with electrolytes? These are actually complementary because the keto diet triggers your body to release salt. Consuming electrolytes hydrates your body and gives you the fuel you need to burn calories. Electrolytes also regulate your blood sugar and support brain health. What supplements should you take when doing the keto diet? If you want to produce ketones in the body, you should go with MCT oil supplements or omega-3 fatty acid supplements. Medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, are a popular supplement among keto dieters. They're metabolized differently than long-chain triglycerides, the most common type of fat found in food. Coconut oil is one of the richest natural sources of MCTs, with about 17% of its fatty acids being in the form of MCTs with potential metabolic benefits. However, taking MCT oil provides an even more concentrated dose of MCTs, that can be helpful for those following a keto diet. MCTs are broken down by your liver and quickly enter your bloodstream, where they can be used as a fuel source for your brain and muscles. Omega-3 supplements can be particularly beneficial for people on keto diets, as they can help maintain a healthy omega-3 to omega-6 ratio when following a high-fat diet. What's more, omega-3 supplements can maximize the keto diet's impact on overall health. If you want to take a different approach and add ketones directly to your body, you should try exogenous ketones, or beta-hydroxybutyrate, BHB. Both are the same but are branded differently since BHB is not a word that many people know. So what is BHB? Beta-hydroxybutyrate is one of three ketones that is made by the body to provide energy in times when not enough carbohydrates or sugars have been eaten. These supplements can speed up ketosis by raising your blood ketone levels. They can also help prevent symptoms of keto flu and help you feel healthier overall. In either case, you should think about always adding electrolytes since you will probably need them. You can find them as magnesium, sodium, or electrolyte supplements. But before doing anything, do keto supplements really work? Keto supplements will definitely help you improve your fat intake and produce ketones in the body. If you are on a weight loss goal, you should expect better results from taking them. But here comes the real question everyone wants to hear. Do ketogenic pills work without the keto diet? Even though keto pills boost the ketones in your blood, they are much more effective when paired with the keto diet. No diet pill can produce the same effects as a healthy diet. The nutrients and vitamins in ketone pills are not the same as those found in real food, and your digestive system will not interpret them the same way. The best way to achieve ketosis is through a low-carb, high-fat diet. But if you cannot follow a diet well enough to increase your ketones naturally, Keto diet pills may give you the boost in ketone bodies you need to get there. That means if you are on a high-carb diet, keto pills won't do much. How long does it take for keto pills to work? Again, this depends on how you are combining it with your keto diet. Many pure keto diet pills begin working within the first week of consumption. Some users have even reported lower appetite and increased weight loss after just a few days of taking supplements. However, to achieve the best results, you will need to take these supplements for at least 30 days. Keep doing the research and find a way to achieve your desired results. Everybody has a different path, find yours.